there, this is Rock and Rob back with you from sunny Colorado Springs. In this segment, we're going to talk about our Carb FX product. Carb FX is also another important component of the 6 included in our Medi-Kit. Carb FX is a blend of simple and complex carbohydrates, plus several other important nutrients. Carb FX supplements those to which are normally biosynthesized within the plant, allowing the plant to expend its energy on other functions, such as during the veg cycle, building more tissue, during the flower cycle, building larger, more potent and flavorful buds. Let's show you how simple Carb FX is to use. Here we have our 100-gram jar. Carb FX is used fairly sparingly. The mix ratio is 7.5 grams per 4 liters or 1 US gallon of water. Today we're making 1 liter, so we're going to use approximately 1/4 teaspoon. 7.5 grams equals approximately 1 teaspoon. Our teaspoon is over here. There we have 1/4 teaspoon. Almost, a little bit too much. Shake it down, perfect. That's about 1/4 teaspoon. And that will go right into our squirt, or our actual spray applicator container. Probably would have been better to use a funnel in this case, so let's do that. Now simply add 1 liter of water. Replace our sprayer head. Shake it well. Unlike the Bud FX product, Carb FX product can be used right away. We don't let it have to combine over the 48 hours. And to apply it is really quite simple. Now we go over to our plant. And again, like with our Foliar FX product, we're going to spray to the underside. And top side of our leaves. We're going to use a slightly larger amount of Carb FX at this point than we did with our Foliar FX. About 200 milliliters dispensed per plant, approximately 20 sprays, full squeezes. There we are. Applying a little bit more is not necessarily going to affect the plant in any adverse way at all. And there it is. There you have it. Using Carb FX and growing with Erupt. It's that easy.